So here it is. Gonna do a test tonight. Just finished work. Gonna settle down. That's my breath, sorry. Here at Camparo. Gonna test out this survival bag. This is the biggest one I've done so far. This is 2 meters 13 or 2 meters 130 long and 900 mil wide. So it's also got, it's basically all it is a mylar blanket folded in half. It's got a black seam there for toughness, but I thought this one was quilted, but it's not. So I'll get back to you when I'm inside it. I'm sure it's going to be a pain in the ass to get inside.